Hello, spiritual souls. Welcome to Guidance Tarot 17. In today's reading, we'll be seeing thoughts about you from your person. We'll be seeing what your person thinks about you, what are their feelings, what are their emotions, and what situation you are going through. And lastly, we'll also be seeing handwritten messages. You will also get an idea about the zodiac sign and the alphabets that will help you to connect with the reading. Okay, so stay connected. And this is a pick a card reading. I will be shuffling cards online, like live in front of you. So, this reading will resonate from whenever you see this video. The timelines will resonate from the time you see the video. So, this is a timeless reading, and you have three options over here. This is option 1, option 2, and option 3. So, select any one option, intuitively select. You can take some while, breathe, relax, try to connect with the energy, try to connect with the universal energy, and then intuitively, whichever card you feel, you can select that option. Okay, so let's start with our pile 1. Okay, hello, pile number 1. Let's see what your person thinks about you, what they feel about you, and this card will signify your entire current energy and what you can expect in future. Okay, so try to connect with your energy, try to help yourself to connect with the divine energy. Ask your ancestors and angels to help you. Pray to them, stay grounded, take a deep breath, and let's start the reading. So, first, we'll be seeing what do they think about you. Okay, so this is their current thought about you. Okay, so I can see that this person is very attracted towards you. This person is observing you. Okay, they are, currently in their power. You may also feel that this person is somewhere not taking action. uh, they think that you are a very powerful person, your thoughts are very powerful. They think that they need some time, basically, because this is not an action oriented energy. This card is stagnant, this card is in its place, so they need some time to think. They are thinking about analyzing the situation, but they have a very powerful connection with you. Their thoughts are very powerful. They are constantly thinking about you, and this is a card that signifies that they have deep physical attraction towards you. So they are physically attracted towards you, they want to take action. Universe is also forcing them, but they are somewhere stopping. Now let's see what are their emotions, what are they feeling for you. See, so let's see what this person is feeling for you. Hmm. I can see these for people who have selected pile 1. I can somewhere see possibility of third party situation. You also have 3 of cups. So either you or that person is already involved with someone else, and you have attraction towards each other, and you both are stuck in a situation where you cannot move forward, or one person at least is already connected with someone, and mostly it's related to this person you are asking about. So they are feeling, there is an attraction, they like you, but they are not taking action. They are currently stagnant in that energy. They are emotionally very cold. Maybe you are in a no contact situation, and there is lack of clarity. This person is giving you cold treatment, maybe even at times where you have tried to communicate. This person may have not responded well. They are observing you, they are seeing what you are doing in your life, what all is happening in your life, but still they are in an energy where they are not open to take any action. Okay, so now let's see what they want to tell you. Like, they are blocking their energy, but what is it that they want to tell you? Yes, see, we have king and we have three kings. Kings represent action, but this person is a sitting king. So they have a lot of feelings. If they had an opportunity, they would have come and they would have expressed their emotions, they would have expressed their feelings. I can see that at least one person between two of you would have expressed, maybe they had expressed in the past and you did not accept, or maybe you have expressed yourself in the past and they did not accept. So they are a bit stuck, they are a bit confused, and they are scared as well. Okay, they are in an energy where they are uncertain about how things will move forward because they don't know what are your reactions. How will you react if they come back? Okay, but they want to come back. Okay, let's see what can you expect in near future, and then we'll move to handwritten messages. What can you expect in the future? Yes, balance. Trying to get clarity. This is a very important card. Trying to gain clarity. This person will have to make a choice between two, and that this person is trying to, understand the situation, trying to get clarity, trying to bring balance, and this will happen. I can see that this thing will happen. This person will come back, but they need time because currently I can see that they are not ready for it. Okay, so now we'll move to our handwritten messages. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have one message which is do not try to control. Okay, first I will take out all the cards so that the messages are more clear. Okay, we have another card engagement ring, pregnancy. Okay, maybe I can see that you people, for people who are already married, there may be some situation where you are feeling stuck. As I told you, you saw, I am observing you. Okay. And they are saying, I am scared to lose you. Can you prove your loyalty? Okay, yes, third party. It's a yes from my side. They want to say yes, they want to come back and express. I'm thinking about marriage. So, this person is somewhere moving towards an energy where they are thinking about long term, they're thinking about long term partnership, and there is something which is stopping them. Let's see one last card. Angels. Okay, thank you so much. You need to stay grounded. I can see that this person is telling you, and you, oh my god, you saw, I am physically attracted towards you. So, this is what they are thinking about you, this is what they want to express, and there are some limitations, there are some blockages, but I can see that these blockages will be removed and they will be ready for it. Now let's see, we'll move forward and we'll be seeing alphabets or zodiac sign. It would be any of the alphabet like your name, full name, surname, and zodiac sign, sun, moon, ascendant sign. So let's see, angels. Okay, that's too much. Okay, let's see. So the first alphabet is H. Then we have B. Then we have U. And K. We have Virgo and Leo. Okay, so these were the alphabets and zodiac sign. I hope the reading resonated with you. In case you want any specific kind of reading, you can let me know in the comment section. And stay connected. Do follow my channel. Do show your support. And let's move forward with our pile 2. Hello, pile number 2. Welcome to your reading. Let's see what your person is thinking about you. So focus your energy. Try to ask help from your angels, your ancestors. Your person here is thinking to take some action towards you. I can see that they are trying to analyze their thoughts. They are trying to bring balance between their thoughts and emotions. I can see that currently this person has two options and they have to decide about what they want to do in their life, like which direction they want to go. They think that you are very giving, you are very nurturing, and this is the quality that they really like about you. And they currently are thinking about taking some action. They are trying to bring balance in their emotions and thoughts and mind. Now let's see what are their feelings. What are they feeling about you? What are their emotions? Okay, so let's see. Yeah, currently they are trying to block their emotions. I can see that this person is going through a lot. They have many things to do, they have multiple tasks, and also there is an energy of overthinking. I can see that this person is trying to balance out the situation, trying to balance the thoughts. Something is really haunting them. I can see that you both are in a no contact situation, or there is very limited communication, and they want to sort that thing out. They want to bring that balance in your situation. They may have tried to communicate with you, but maybe you haven't responded yet. Or somewhere I can see that they are trying to draw your attention, whether directly or indirectly, but they are doing something which is triggering you. Maybe they are posting something on social media which is with an intent to trigger you, to try to get some reaction from you. Okay, now let's see what this person wants to tell you. Let's see what this person wants to tell you. If they have to come forward and communicate with you, let's see what this person wants to tell you. Okay, they want to come forward and they want to express their emotion. I can see that they have been blocking their emotions since a while now, and they want to tell you that they really want to sort the situation out. They understand that the situation has been toxic, and they have been in a back seat since a while. They have been not so proactive, active in their life, where they are ready to take up the responsibility of this relationship. But they now want to come forward and express themselves. They want to communicate that they are ready now, and they are currently at a turning point in their life where they have to make a choice. Like, you have seven of chariot card basically, but they were running away, seven of swords. So they were running away from this situation in the past, but now they are understanding, they are getting that understanding, they are getting that clarity, and they want to move forward. Now let's see what is the future energy, near future. Yes, you have magician card. So I can see that this person is now, preparing themselves. He's trying to gain that courage, he will gain that confidence, and he will come forward with something solid. This person will come back and take up the responsibility, where they are more in power, they are more in control, and they are openly expressing. Okay, now let's see what handwritten messages we have. These are intuitive messages and these are channeled messages. So let's see what your person wants to tell you. Messages from your person. Yes, you have one card. I am feeling guilty. So they have done something in the past and they are regretting their action. Maybe they have chosen somebody else over you and now they are really guilty. They're sad about it. As I already told you, I can see three people involved in this situation. Yes, do not try to control. This is what the message is. Next is message of love. Maybe you will receive some message of love from this person. Big changes in 9 months. So expect something big within 9 months. And I'm coming to express my love. As I told you, that this person is coming back. Soul connection. They understand that they have soul connection with you within 3 months. So something within 9 months and 3 months. So these time periods can be important for you. You can keep a note on it. You can mark it. These are too many. Okay, so we'll take these. You have childbirth. Maybe people who are married will get some good news. Yes, as I told you, the situation is toxic. They are feeling sad. Yes, see, I told you, running away from the situation. So they are sorry. They are guilty about what they have done and they want to express their emotions. They were running away from the situation in the past, but now they are ready to move forward and express their love and emotions. Now, let's see what zodiac signs and alphabets we have for you. Okay, we have this one. Okay, we have the messages. We'll keep this here. Okay, now let's see. So, the first sign is Gemini, then we have O, we have Libra. So a lot of air sign. You have alphabet T, Scorpio, and lastly we have Aquarius. A lot of air signs, specifically air sign for people who are Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, and also Scorpio. So this was the message for you. I hope the reading resonated, and see you soon in the next video. Let's move forward to pile 3. Hello, pile number 3. Let's see what your person is thinking about you. What are their feelings, emotions, and future energy, near future energy. And then we'll also see handwritten, channeled love messages from your person. We'll be seeing zodiac signs and alphabets. So stay tuned, watch this video till end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's see what is your person thinking about you. So the first card will be about your person's thoughts. Oh my god, they love you a lot. They have a spiritual connection with you. They think that you are a very loving soul. They want to express their love. They want to be free with you. They are thinking about, giving you that offer of love. They understand that this connection that they share with you is a divine connection and they want to offer you this cup of love. They are, overly whelmed with your present current situation, and I can see that this is something which is new, this is something which is developing. And if you don't feel this connection with your current partner, I can see that there is someone new who is about to enter in your life. If you have been manifesting someone, if you have been manifesting something, related to love, related to marriage, then this is a sign that this person is coming and they think about you very highly. Let's see what are their emotions. They are very addicted towards you. Like, oh my god. Here I can see there is a lot of attraction, there is a lot of physical love, there is a lot of physical attraction. And they are, because here I can see this is something very new. and where there is attraction, infatuation, and this is something which slowly will develop into love, because currently this is something which is very new, and how you take things forward will depend on both of you, because this is fresh. This is not something which is already developed, and they feel that there is something which is drawing them towards you. So there is a strong, powerful pull in the energies. Let's see what this person wants to tell you. What do they want to tell you? Okay, they want to tell you that you are their world. They see you very highly. They see you when you are growing, they see you when you are grooming yourself. They like you when you are very presentable. They like you the way you are, like the way you present yourself, the way you dress up, the way you present yourself in the society, in the world. They are very inspired by you, and they think that you are someone with whom they can spend their life. They feel that you know they can create a future with you. They are observing you on social media. If you both are connected, they are thinking about you most of the time, and that's the reason why this devil card is here, because there is a strong attraction. Okay, this is not toxic, but this is a strong attraction. It's like an addiction where they cannot stop thinking about you. Let's see what actions will they take in the near future. Yes, wish fulfillment. I can see that they will come with an offer of love where they are very stable, they are emotionally content, and they are displaying like what all things they can offer. So they are thinking about long term and long term partnership. Now, let's see what is the future energy for both of you. Yes, you have nine, both of you have nine. So here I can see this is a very balanced energy where you both are emotionally and physically stable. You have something to offer, they have something to offer, and both of you collectively can create a beautiful future together. Okay, so this is what the energy is. It's an amazing energy, lovely energy. Now let's see what messages this person wants to give you. Like, what do they want to tell you? I'm working hard for us. Can you wait? Exactly. I told you that they will offer you something which is very solid, which is very stable, and for that they are working really hard. But maybe they need some time. And this is a reason why I'm shuffling in front of you, so that you understand that these are not created messages. These are something which are genuinely coming, and this is what they really want to tell you. Okay, we have soulmate connection. Lovely. I am feeling sad. Maybe they're feeling sad because of something. Misunderstandings will be resolved now. I don't know if you can see this, but that's what is written. Misunderstandings. Maybe something has happened with you both in the past where things were misunderstood, but now those things will be resolved very soon. Then we have proposal. Lovely. As I told you, you will receive something which is very solid, which is long term, which is stable, and which is growing. But there is still something that needs to be worked on. I feel a soul connection with you. Lovely. I can see that, they are telling you, I love you. And let's see few more messages. Okay, thank you so much, angels. I am feeling lonely and depressed. Currently, they are feeling very sad and lonely. Surrender your concerns to the universe. I see you in my dreams. So, this is a very lovely and divine connection. Be open to receive it, and you will see that things will turn out really well. Okay, now let's see zodiac signs and alphabets that can help you to connect with the reading, and this will give you more clarity. Let's see. So, the first sign is Libra. Then we have O, D, and Y, P, and K. So, this was the reading. Thank you so much. File number 3. I hope the reading resonated with you. And you can follow my channel. And in case you want to get reading for any specific topic, you can let me know in the comment section. Okay. Bye. Have a wonderful day. Stay blessed, stay connected, and see you soon.